Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Administrator role AZ-104. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Azure Administrator role is: how do you monitor and optimize the performance of Azure SQL database using Azure Monitor and Query Performance Insights? Your answer should be: Azure Monitor provides monitoring and diagnostics capabilities for Azure SQL database, allowing administrators to monitor performance metrics, detect issues, and gain insights into resource utilization. Query Performance Insights, a feature of Azure SQL Database, helps identify and troubleshoot performance bottlenecks by analyzing query performance trends and providing recommendations for optimization. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Azure Front Door and its role in global load balancing, traffic routing, and application acceleration. Your answer should be: Azure Front Door is a global content delivery network CDN service provided by Microsoft that enables organizations to optimize and secure web applications by routing traffic through a global network of Microsoft managed points of presence (POPs). Front Door provides features such as global load balancing, traffic routing based on performance and availability, SSL loading, offloading, and application acceleration, improving application responsiveness and reliability for end users worldwide. Our next interview question is: what are Azure Managed Identities and how do they simplify authentication and access management for Azure resources? Your answer should be: Azure Managed Identities are a feature of Azure Active Directory that provides an identity for services running in Azure, allowing them to authenticate and access other Azure resources securely without requiring explicit credentials for managing service principals. Managed identities simplify authentication and access management for Azure resources by eliminating the need for managing secrets or keys in code or configuration files. Our next interview question is: how do you automate resource provisioning and management in Azure using Azure Resource Manager, ARM templates, and Azure PowerShell? Your answer should be: Azure Resource Manager ARM templates are JSON files that define the desired state of Azure resources and their configurations, allowing administrators to automate the deployment and management of resources using infrastructure as code IAC. Azure PowerShell is a command line interface for managing Azure resources and services through script-based automation, enabling tasks such as resource provisioning, configuration, and monitoring. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Azure Functions Consumption Plan and how it enables serverless scalability and cost optimization. Your answer should be: Azure Functions Consumption Plan is a serverless hosting option for Azure functions that automatically scales compute resources based on incoming events and execution demands. With Consumption Plan, users pay only for the resources consumed during function execution, optimizing costs by scaling down to zero when functions are idle or scaling up dynamically as needed to handle workload spikes. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.